All right, just went out with the ruler a little bit before the show. 3.7 inches here in South Fargo. Other parts of the metro reporting about 2.7 to 3.5 inches of snow. Grand Forks 4.2 as of a little earlier this evening, still snowing there. Watertown, South Dakota getting hit pretty good, but the Twin Cities, one of the big target areas, 7 to 11 inches there. Mayville 2.5 inches, 4 in Pelican Rapids, and reports of 6 and 8 inches in the Fergus area. And the snow for this month, well, it's been the snowiest month of the season by far for Grand Forks and for Fargo. And today's snowfall put Grand Forks over the top. The snowiest February ever at the National Weather Service forecast office there. Here's a look at the snow kind of streaming along the Highway 2 and Highway 200 corridors here. That continues, and down near Ellendale and, well, even Lemoore, we're seeing some more flakes fly as well. Winter weather advisory for our counties shaded in blue does continue until midnight as this storm system continues to dry up a touch. Taking you in a little bit closer, Mayville points to the north and east just south of Crookston. Snow spreading east into the Findlay and Cooperstown areas as we speak, and that has been very persistent. Did not get a lot of reports from these areas throughout the day, but by morning, I'm sure we'll get a few more. The Twin Cities still seeing a few remnant snowflakes, as is the Iron Range and the North Shore. As we take a look behind the system, dry air, but it's punching through toward the East Coast right now with rain, freezing rain, and snow wrapping up through upstate New York and the northern Great Lakes. Current temperatures 12 in Cavalier, 15 Grand Forks, a lot of 18s here in the Southern Valley and in Lakes Country, 19 for Bemidji. Gwinner, you have 14. So we take a look at Interstate 94. Again, the eastbound lanes still congested a little bit thanks to the crash there. 18 degrees with a only 5-mile-per-hour wind. It's from the north-northwest. Watch the snow bands continue to shrivel up, and this system dries up mainly by 1 o'clock in the morning for most of us. And by daybreak, expect temperatures to be from around 10 degrees to 15 degrees out in Minnesota. That's a pretty good springboard for our day. We won't see temperatures warming a lot, and we won't see a lot of sunshine, but still near 20 degrees to 25 for some. Not a bad day. And again, not as much wind, 5 to 15 miles per hour. It will become westerly as we go through the afternoon, starting out at the bus stop in the morning at 9 degrees, warming up by about 10 for your afternoon under mostly cloudy skies. A lot of cloud cover across the entire region, and the warm spots will be found in central Minnesota with a few mid-20s there. All right. If you want more snow, I've got great news for you. Get ready Friday, early in the day, very quiet. Beginning in the evening, it looks like the timing is now. A band similar to what's set up today will impact primarily the Southern Valley with the heavier snow potential where you see the dark blues. Fargo not far from that. And where you see the dark blues, we could be seeing snow upwards of 6 inches once again. So again, we'll keep you updated on snowfall potential for Friday. Right now it's a little early to call. Models are still shifting that storm a little bit, but more shoveling exercises for the late week. Hey, this is the Winterborn White Church. Thanks, Maggie, for sharing that very misty and, well, hazy morning. There's your Friday snow, 21 degrees. That's not too bad. And that looks like that lasts into Saturday morning. The rest of Saturday pretty fair and 23 degrees. Wind and cooler for Sunday. And then yet another system, very similar to the last couple, will make its way through as we go into the day on Tuesday. So that looks like a pretty wintry close to the month of February.
It's been tough.
Real tough.
Yes, absolutely. Take it slow. Give yourself time.
Thanks.
Yeah.
This is all